In 1956, an outbreak of Minimata disease caused by mercury took place in Japan. Minimata disease is the result of methyl mercury from factories polluting the ocean. Seafood becomes contaminated, and the people who eat it contract the disease. However, even after learning that mercury is harmful to the human body, people have continued to use it. Mercury poisoning has been causing harm all over the world. August 16, 2017. The Minimata Convention went into effect in order to eliminate damage to health and the environment caused by mercury, and over 80 countries have already ratified it. It imposes restrictions on the manufacture and import and export of many products that use mercury. Projectors are not subject to the convention's restrictions. Even now, projectors containing mercury lamps are produced and used in large numbers all over the world. Lamp-free is a product concept developed by Casio out of consideration for the environment. In 2010, Casio was the first company in the world to offer lamp-free projectors by developing a laser and LED hybrid light source that doesn't use mercury. Since then, we have succeeded in making all our projectors mercury-free. We are pioneering the next generation of projectors. At Casio, we are contributing to the environment and to society through our lamp-free philosophy of mercury avoidance, protecting our children's well-being for the future. You too can contribute to the creation of an environmentally sustainable society by using Casio mercury-free projectors. Do it for the welfare of our children. Do it for the future of our planet. No more mercury.